Having the right apps on your device means that you will be able to do much more with your iPhone. Now, of course, having great apps means that you can do more tasks on your iPhone, do things easier, and of course, much faster. That's why in today's video, I will share with you guys 8 brilliant apps that are actually super useful that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device in 2025. Like this app right here, it is called Tailor, and it allows to stitch screenshots together. So on Safari, you can actually take a full page screenshot like this one right here, but you won't be able to do that on other apps. Like you can see right here, I have a conversation on iMessage. Now this would be 2 separate screenshots because you cannot take a full screenshot of a conversation. But what this app does for you, you simply take the screenshots, and once you have them saved on your photos gallery, you come to this app and it has already stitched your screenshot. So you can see right here, we have now one single screenshot, and we can actually test it out right here. So here we are right here on iMessage, and let's take a few screenshots. So I can go ahead and take screenshots like this on this conversation. And you will see now, once we go back into this app, there are the screenshots, and you can see right there in a couple of seconds, we have now a single screenshot. How cool is that? And it will will actually be done automatically. Once you have done that, tap the share button and save it as a single picture under your camera roll. Next up is edits from Instagram. Now this is probably one of the best free apps that you can get on the App Store. The amount of editing features that you get on this app totally for free is very comparable to like very expensive apps or software that you get to edit your videos. So this is the interface right here. You can load, of course, pictures from your camera roll, and you will have a ton of tools right here. From your audio to your text to your voiceovers, captions, overlays, sound effects, and of course stickers as well. Once we tap right there on a clip, we will have things like the speed here. You can adjust basically everything that you need right here, like the brightness, the contrast, all that stuff. So you get it basically all the different tools that you get on video editing software. So it's very, very useful. And right here, you can also add your audio, you can add new clips, and then of course you will have the export section where you can just go ahead and export your video as easy as that. Of course, when you want to make videos like the vertical videos for your Reels or your TikToks, this is the app to go. Next up is Breezy. Now Breezy is a weather app that is kind of different from other weather apps, and I really like the idea here. So you select a location, or you can use your current location, and it will show you the weather forecast as well as what it will prefer you to wear. So right here, suggested t-shirt, and it will show you all the details regarding weather. And then right here, you can see the hourly forecast. Now, alongside the forecast, you will also see here suggestions on what you need to wear, which is really awesome. And it will do this for the next days as well. So if we go for tomorrow, you can actually plan ahead what you actually want to wear tomorrow based on the weather forecast. So it's actually pretty awesome. Now, if you go here to the settings, this is where you can customize the app. Now, of course, you can choose different metrics right here, and then you will have the temperature. What do you think? From which temperature to which one you prefer to wear a t-shirt maybe, or you prefer to wear a coat. You can also go ahead and just customize it right here, and then it will give you the suggestions based on all the customizations that you have made to the app. Now, before we continue with the next app, I just want to ask you guys for a quick favor. I've noticed that most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel. So if you watch the videos and you found them helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and of course turning on the notifications. That would actually mean a lot, and it would actually help the channel a lot. Next up is Top Clock. Now this is really interesting. It might seem simple, but it probably will be very useful in a lot of cases. Whenever you need the clock, a timer, a countdown, or an interval right here, you can actually have them on the picture-in-picture mode. So if you're doing something on your device, you need the timer or you need a countdown, you can actually create one right here. You can set the time, the background color, the text color, and then just tap on top right here, and you will actually have that, basically that time or that countdown, whatever that is, you can have it on the picture-in-picture mode on your device wherever you are. So it's actually super cool. Next up is Web Watch. Now this one is really interesting. What you have to do whenever you want to keep track of a website, you're waiting for an update on that website or a change, you can actually just add the URL right here. You copy the URL, you come here, tap on the add button, and what this app will do for you is that it will send you notifications every time there are updates or changes to that website. You can refresh all the websites right here, or you can tap to add a new URL, and basically you get a notification anytime there is a change. Next up is face blur. Whenever you want to share something, especially on the social media, and you have a picture where maybe there are other people, you can actually go ahead and quickly blur their faces with this app. And it has some really cool options. Instead of the blur, you can add maybe an emoji, as easy as that, or you can just pixelate it or just draw basically a blur over it. So it's actually very simple to use, very easy. As you can see right here, you can set, of course, the size, the intensity, the opacity of the blur as well, but it's super simple to use, yet it will be very useful. Water eject is up next. Whenever you have water on your iPhone speakers, you can just go ahead and eject it with this app. You enable the vibrations right here. You can, of course, just turn up the volume. You will have to have the volume all the way up, and then you can change right here the sound. And as you can, maybe you cannot hear it actually because I have the volume down, but it's actually vibrating my iPhone through the speakers, which means that way it just will blow out any water or anything that might be in the speakers. And then you can also go ahead and test the speakers right here with these two buttons, which is super simple. And also you can go ahead and change the vibration of your device. And last but not least is an app called Change Store. Now, whenever you don't maybe find an app on your store, you can go ahead and switch to another store. Or if you're looking for something and you want to see if it's another store, you can go ahead and do that. What this will do is it will automatically change the store of your app store whenever you tap on another state. So if I just tap right here, it will actually take a second right there and it will switch, in this case, to the Austrian store. I can go back to the United States store right here, just scroll all the way down, and it's actually super simple. You can see in a couple of seconds we actually change the store on our device, which is actually super cool. So that's it for this video, guys. These are the apps that I think are actually very useful and you must have on your device in 2025. If you enjoyed the apps and you want to download any of them, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. And if you enjoyed the video and you found it helpful, smash that like button, and of course subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.